A mother's anguish and outrage. Her 5-year-old son was killed in a crash Saturday morning.
And breaking news right now, we've just learned that an arrest warrant has been issued for this man accused of causing that crash. He bonded out of jail shortly after the crash, but is now facing an additional charge of DUI manslaughter, so police want him back behind bars. The mother says the initial bond was set way too low, which had a lot of people angry. The bond was set at only $3,000.
And troopers say the suspect's blood alcohol level was more than twice the legal limit. Fox 35's Dave Puglisi spoke exclusively to the mother. He joins us live tonight. And Dave, she wants to know why that bond was so low.
Lou, and that's something I've been digging into today for her and all of you to try to get a little bit of an explanation for that. And based on the initial charges before that upgraded manslaughter charge, which we've been hearing about, the bond was set within the realm of possibility. And according to legal experts I spoke to, not an unheard of bond. But that doesn't bring any comfort to a grieving mother who lost her son Saturday morning right over there.
I was honestly disgusted.
30-year-old Daksh Wadhwa is out on $3,000 bond after being accused of driving under the influence and swerving into oncoming traffic along State Road 448 in Tavares.
I feel like I was betrayed from the people who say that they serve and protect. You know what I mean? Like, they're not giving grace and justice. They're not serving and protecting me.
Caitlin and her 5-year-old son Grayson were in this gold car. In pictures taken at the scene, you could see it split in half by Wadhwa's BMW. Grayson was killed in the accident.
He was the biggest giver. I mean, it's hard to say a lot of things about a 5-year-old, but in the 5 years of him living, he was the most kind and sincere and considerate, beautiful soul that I've ever got to meet.
Fox 35 checked with the Circuit Court in Lake County, which establishes the guidelines for bond. Based on those guidelines, Wadhwa's initial charges, including DUI with serious bodily injury and drug possession, could have carried a bond up to $24,000. Instead, bond was set at $3,000, meaning he only had to pay about $300 to get out of jail. Judges consider a number of factors when determining a bond.
There are other factors that show that the person has no prior criminal history, they have significant ties to the immediate community, they have a good job, they have a good support system, and therefore they're not likely to be a flight risk or a risk to the public in terms of posing any potential future danger while out on bond. I don't know that that amount is completely shocking.
Over the weekend, Wadhwa's bond did not include the upgraded charge of DUI manslaughter. FHP says he'll face a judge again with those upgraded charges. In the meantime, Caitlin and her family have decided to donate Grayson's organs.
If I can't keep mine, I want to help somebody keep theirs.
We also stopped by Wadhwa's address. A woman answered the door to say that they're very sorry for what happened, but say that he no longer lives there. As mentioned, the warrant is out for his arrest right now, and FHP tells me that he'll be in a Lake County jail tonight. In Tavares, Dave Puglisi, Fox 35 News.
Thanks a lot, Dave.